Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you guys on a camping trip with me. Let's get ready to explore the great outdoors and experience the thrill of sleeping under the stars. First things first, let's talk about the essential camping gear you need to have a comfortable and safe trip. You'll need a tent, sleeping bag, camping stove, food, water, a first aid kit, and of course, a camera to capture all the memories. Before start the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Choosing a camping site. When it comes to choosing a camping site, consider the following: proximity to water and firewood, accessibility for your vehicle, privacy and scenic views, distance from other campers. Setting up camp. Now that we've found the perfect camping site, let's set up camp. Start by selecting a level spot for your tent, then clear any rocks or sticks from the area. Next, set up your tent, making sure all the guy lines are tight, and stake it into the ground. Cooking and eating. One of the best parts of camping is cooking over an open fire. You can grill hot dogs, make s'mores, or even cook a full meal on a camping stove. Just remember to practice fire safety and follow the rules of the campground. Exploring and activities. Camping is not just about sleeping in the woods. Take advantage of the great outdoors by exploring the area, going on hikes, fishing, or just lounging by the campfire. Campfire activities. One of the best parts of camping is gathering around the campfire at night. Whether you're roasting marshmallows, telling ghost stories, or playing music, the campfire is a great place to bond with friends and family. Just be sure to follow fire safety guidelines and only use fire-approved containers. Nature appreciation. Finally, camping is a chance to appreciate the beauty of nature. Observe the wildlife, listen to the sounds of the forest, and take in the scenic views. Don't forget to respect the environment by following leave no trace principles and minimizing your impact on the surrounding wilderness. Safety tips. Camping can be an exciting and fun experience, but it's important to be prepared for the unexpected. Make sure you have a first aid kit, a map, and a compass with you at all times. Know the area and be aware of potential hazards such as wildlife, poisonous plants, and inclement weather. Stargazing. Camping is also a great opportunity to stargaze and admire the beauty of the night sky. If you're interested in astronomy, bring a telescope or a star map to identify constellations. It's a peaceful and enchanting experience that you'll never forget. Closing thoughts. Camping is a wonderful way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with the world around us. Whether you're an experienced camper or a first-timer, there's always something new to discover and appreciate in the great outdoors. So grab your gear and let's go camping. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventure content. See you on the next one.